Cindy Jones. I'm here at the International Museum of Cultures in Duncanville to participate to view the candidate forum that the Suburban newspaper is hosting here. A few concerns. They published it in their literature prior to inviting officially all of the candidates. All of the candidates then got an invitation just this week, so not much time to prepare. We come here this morning and we're not allowed to have any kind of recording device in there, which is interesting because it should be for all citizens, and for those that are not available to make it, they should be able to see the candidate responses, especially since the official traditional forum held by the Rotary and the Chamber at the high school Thursday night will not be available for viewing on the city website.
Good morning. I'm Jeff, and this is Lee Burton. We just completed the Saturday morning candidates forum that was published and supported by the Suburban tabloid of Duncanville. We've been asked for our thoughts of what transpired. To me, there were two really overarching items, and that was one incumbent did not even show up. And that's not the first time that incumbent has not showed up. So it makes me question, does that person really want to serve me? We had an incumbent that would not face the audience. She remained seated with her back to the audience and felt very reluctant, appeared to me very reluctant to want to even speak to the public when she gave her speech in their talks.
She looked at the ceiling and every place else.
I thought it was very pointed that she had a handwritten card or typed out card with direct answers to one of the questions. So we know the questions came in canned. We know that certain candidates had the opportunity to see those questions before they were given, but to see the response of those candidates that did not get to see those questions until they were given was wonderful. These men came from their heart, they came from their knowledge, and they came from their experience. And it's a very clear-cut decision for this city council race that the incumbents need to go and be retired, and we need to bring in new, fresh thoughts and visions for the city of Duncanville. One last thing, it was the lady that was keeping the time is attached quite closely as the wife of the one that was moderating the debate, the forum this morning.
From the Suburban.
She pulled her husband over and made some comment, and then he had to say something about let's show respect for this when there had been no disrespect. I stood and asked, could I ask a question? Of course, I was shouted down and said, no, you can't. But I went ahead and said, I saw no disrespect from the audience at all. My wife made the comment that the respect needs to be coming from the candidates and not from the public. And we did not see that today from the incumbents.